What's up, CloudLife? This is Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets with Ichimoku technical analysis. And today we are going to be taking a closer look at XRP versus the dollar. So if you are new to this channel and you like what you see and hear and feel compelled to sub, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's get that XRP, baby. Let's go. Before we get into anything, I want to say Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior. I always acknowledge him before I start my analysis. So I just want to get that out there. And if you guys are interested, I have a live stream tonight. That's going to be at 8 p.m. Central Time tonight. Tune in, subscribe. You definitely do not want to miss out. I will be going over a little Bible study, and I will also be going over requests and technical analysis on the market and updates on the market. So stay tuned for that tonight as well. But that being said, let's get into this XRP technical analysis. All right. So looking at this market, we see here XRP has been pretty flat on the daily time frame. I see that the secret span A and B are both flat here. And you guys that do not trade the Ichimoku system, this is what I'm talking about right in here. So we had a Kumo crossover. So span A starts off on top in a bullish market. Span B is on the bottom in a bullish market, and when they do a crossover, B is on top and A is on bottom. So now we got that crossover and we're bearish here, but looking at the market, it's saying that the market is flat. We're not really going any lower. We would need the market to do something like this for the prices to go lower here, but we aren't getting that right now. So what we are seeing potentially, price is holding, at this resistance here pretty well. And if we look at the bigger picture, we could have a potential head and shoulder here to the downside. But, price right now is, ranging in this area between, let's see the price actually. Price is actually ranging between, 49 cents, 464, in the price of 43 cents, 685. So we're having a nice range here. What I would like to do in this area, I would like to box it up like this and see where the market goes after that. But in reality, I want to box it in where the market closed. So the open and close, we see that the market did try to break higher, but it failed, and we see that it broke lower here. So market is still in a considerable range. We see that with the Kijisen is flat. Whenever you see Kijisen go flat, that means it's still a bearish, or no, it's still a ranging market, and we still have a range here going on. So there's really no clean market here for market going higher at this point. Looks like today's candle is looking to close bearish in the next 5 hours. That's what I'm seeing so far. So I would want to see how this current daily candle closes, if it could remain at this point or go lower. But it looks like price is going to close bearish, which will be a bearish engulfing candle to this one. So I see prices moving back to the downside, probably to the bottom of this box here, just based off the daily time frame. All right. So if we go to the lower time frame, let's check out the 4-hour time frame. I'm pretty sure price will give us a better indication of what it's doing here. So even here, you see that price is in a range. It's still, Chiku span is still stuck inside here. So that's saying that the market is still very much in a range. The other scary thing here that I see is we have this gigantic bearish engulfing candle, and we see price is having a hard time to break above the Kijisen right now. We do have a long-legged doji candle, so we could get a reversal right here back to the upside, just based off the 4-hour time frame. But if price remains underneath the Kijisen and the Tenkan level, price may be prone to pushing down lower towards this box like I have in mind. So this is what I'm going to be cautious about and watching. Here, momentum is, there's no real momentum here. Let's see. Let's check out the 1-hour time frame, 1-hour charts. We are underneath the cloud. We're pretty bearish here. Price is ranging underneath the cloud on the 1-hour time frame. So this is a sign that price can definitely push lower to the downside here. So we could get a in-wave structure from this point to this point and probably back down to here. So this is what I'm going to be watching, this move here. If we could continue to sustain going lower, that's what will probably happen. And if we go back to that daily time frame real quick, let's take a look at that daily time frame real quick. We may get a Kumo breakout here. A Kumo breakout is when price breaks this level or breaks past the Kumo cloud. If we could get a Kumo break, price may be more prone to dropping to the downside. More than likely, if we get a Kumo breakout, we'll have a Tinkinson breakout as well. So we may see prices take another hit to the downside. So this is something to be cautious of. Don't, be so hard on yourselves for investing in XRP. I still think a drop is coming. I don't think it's going to be a crazy drop, but it can be because it's space. We know that in XRP, in the crypto space, that prices tend to move very fast because this market is very volatile. So that's what I have for my bias. I think there's going to be a Kumo breakout here to the downside. We'll see how far it drops to. It may just fall down to this box, or it may fall down to these levels here, but that's yet to be seen. So we will tune into the next as I get updated on the market as time progresses. I will give you guys updates on what I think the market will do. I will definitely give you guys an update on tonight's live stream, depending on how this daily candle closes. So we will see. But see you guys tonight on the live stream. God bless, and stay tuned for the next update. And peace.